Blessed Mhlanga's bail case update. Sanabna mashova obuda panapa is an update. Panauya Blessed Mhlanga yamozo kuti aiwa amuri kuona kuti mukomana akakava up ma war veterans panguva inoi oniswa chitsvuku nevakomana panguva inoi vari disparate. Sanabna mashova obudanyura panapa rubo subscribe like on the bell icon. Tibina zim obudanyura chiti. Blessed Mhlanga. The lawyer announces at court saying, "You'll be aware that on the 28th of February 2025, bail was denied by the magistrate at Rotten Road Magistrate Court. The Blessed Mhlanga appealed that decision up at the High Court. The matter was scheduled for hearing this morning. Justice Mandaza is presiding over the bail proceedings earlier on in the morning. And then the state is requested that the bail proceedings be referred to the Anti-Corruption Court of High Court, and we objected as the lawyers for Blessed to that transfer, because as far as we are concerned, there is absolutely nothing corruption or corruption related about the charges that Blessed is facing. The state's request was declined by the presiding judge. The matter will therefore now be heard in the ordinary bail court the day after tomorrow, that is on the 12th of March 2025. The state is yet to furnish us with their response to the bail appeal. It is our hope that by Wednesday, that response would have been furnished to us. This is the current status. Aiwaye the bail application in Komana Blessed Mhlanga. It will chipanapa isanagura awanema lawyers. Aiwa chachara udza kuti aiwa panguva ine vakomana angoda kuti now in squad corruption. But panapa anoyacho kuti aiwa macharges ari kupiwa panapa hatimbori ine vakomana ve-anti-corruption nenawo dze-corruption dzanganzi aita. Mashoko ari kuda panapa tiona vanhu vachimirira chokwadi nekuti the regime iri kuzongoda kutiza but iri kuona kuti iri kutamba nevanhu vanoziva basa ravo. Tudze mafunguro enyu kuti ndi pamusoro pechitwa chipinda comment section medu. Mafunguro enyu musano subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.